So the poor Fiat has been neglected a bit. It's been parked over there for a while and it's absolutely filthy, but bodywork doesn't really matter. What matters for me is not the ice cream man, but what's inside. So the floors need a bad clean. The seats need a good clean. It's just been left lying up. Mr. Ice Cream Man, you're so loud. But the car's just been lying up. It's just been left sitting around, and I collected my very good hoover. I'm gonna get that, hoover up the whole inside, give it a good clean, and then I'm gonna start on bodywork to get this car painted, because it's getting a wrap. It's getting a really cool wrap by the lads over at Moonshine Tints. It's getting tinted windows, it's getting banners on the windscreen and on the back. As you can see, I have my Urban one there. Let's get this car cleaned up. I'll just do it before and after. I'm not going to bore you with carpets, hoovering and shit. So here's, as you're seeing, absolutely filthy. So let's get this done. Right guys, she's mint. I don't know where the driver Matt is gone, so I'm just using the passenger side on this side, because as you can see, carpet is in absolute shite, but it is clean. I'm just going to put that there for the meantime. The back is immaculate. Passenger front minty, passenger back minty fresh. So yeah, time to get in this engine bay and give it a scrub. Yeah. So I just have the engine running just to cool off all around here. I'm going to dry all this off again, but it's looking 100 times better. I do have a new gasket and a new manifold for the car, so this is coming off, new manifold on, new gasket. This is getting painted wrinkled red to match the body. We're getting rid of this and putting a filter on it, so it will look a lot better. So I haven't started the Mini in like over a week, and this is what happens. This is what I get. All the dirty water sitting in the exhaust. How nasty is that? Ugh. I'm just going to power wash this off. So that's all that crap taken off the Fiat. Now all I need to do is start taking all these arches off and start getting some riv nuts in for some new bolts, because these are going to be getting painted soon, along with bumpers and body. So yeah, I'm not going to bore you with all that. I'm just going to get them all riv nutted in and back on and in place and ready to go. Now all these holes are ready for riv nuts. Let's get them all tightened in. Now, another awesome gift that my mate Luke Hogan got me. Look at these bad boys. Little Fiat dust caps. Let's get them on. Now all dust covers are on, and we're going to work on this dent next, but I don't think we will have enough time in this video, so come back for the next video. We get all this body work done. So yeah, thanks for watching. Come back for the next video. You'll see the Fiat getting body work done and getting it ready for paint. And I am hoping to sort out this quarter panel. There is a bit of a dent in it, so maybe we can get some glue sticks and pull it out a little bit. But yeah, come back for the next video to get this painted or paint prepped. Peace out and be dedicated. See you next time.